What happens when you crack your knuckles? It's due to escaping gases. All joints in your body have something called synovial fluid, which acts as a lubricant. Think of it as the oil you put in a door to stop it creaking. This synovial fluid contains the gases oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. When you pop or crack a joint, you stretch this tight joint capsule. That increased pressure results in the rapid release of gases. These gases then form bubbles which are released. When these bubbles burst, that causes the popping noise. It takes about 15 minutes for the gases to be reabsorbed by the synovial fluid. So you have to wait that long before cracking your knuckles again. Oh yeah, it doesn't cause arthritis.